Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 1 week, what has played out in India's national capital is a theatre of the absurd. First, 3 IAS aspirants drown in a coaching center. Then the Delhi police arrests an SUV driver who was simply passing by. And then the civic body of Delhi grandly gives itself a clean chit saying that all is well with Delhi's drains and they have nothing to do with the drowning of these 3 students. Delhi, fed up, collectively hit its head against the wall. And by the looks of it, today, even the Delhi High Court had had enough of them. At one point, the Delhi High Court told the Delhi police, thank God you didn't challan the flood waters for entering the basement, flooding the basement and killing the students. Today, while hearing the matter, the Delhi High Court transferred the probe to the CBI, citing the seriousness of the case and the potential involvement of corruption by public servants in the MCD, in the Delhi Jal Board, in the Delhi police as well. The court has also spoken about this brotherly love between the Delhi police and the MCD and other government departments, asking, has anyone from these departments been arrested? If not, then why did you arrest an innocent passerby? The Delhi police had something very interesting to say. We'll come to that in just a bit. Meanwhile, the Central Vigilance Commission has been directed to nominate a senior officer to oversee this CBI probe. But beyond the actions, it is the words of the High Court bench that made both the Delhi police and the MCD squirm in unease. Taking a swipe over the arrest of an SUV driver who was crossing the area when the gates of the coaching center collapsed, the High Court sarcastically remarked that it is a matter of great relief that the cops have not challaned the rainwater that flew into the drains that ultimately flooded the basement. What further drew the ire of the Delhi High Court was the Delhi police sheepishly admitting that they had arrested the SUV driver, Manoj Kathuria, because they were under extreme stress by negative media coverage. Media coverage that they claimed was giving the impression that the cops were going slow against the real culprits. Seriously, imagine this. Seriously, you arrest an innocent guy because the media is calling you out for not doing your job and arresting MCD and Delhi Jal Board officials? Thank God. In fact, it's best that the probe has now been handed over to the CBI, given how stressed the Delhi police gets when they are simply asked to do their job and questioned when they don't do their job. It wasn't just the Delhi police that was at the receiving end of the court's fury today. The MCD director, who had been summoned by the court, was hauled for water getting accumulated in the area, to which the official finally admitted that the drains should have been functional, but they were not. The MCD even admitted widespread encroachments blocking the drainage system across the city, leading to a furious court calling it criminal negligence. Just by the way, earlier this week, the MCD had given itself a clean chit, saying there was no drainage issue in the old Rajinder Nagar area where these 3 students had drowned. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday we at Urban Debate had wondered if the Delhi police was planning to arrest Lord Indra next, given how ridiculous their behavior has been over the last 1 week. It seems the Delhi High Court felt exactly like we did. The question now is, will a CBI probe ensure that the real villains behind this tragedy are brought to book? An example needs to be made. Because if it isn't, people will simply continue to drown in the national capital. My guest this evening, Abhishek Tandon, is spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, joining us on the broadcast. Yashovardhan Azad is a former IPS officer joining us. Ankit Singh Chauhan is a UP aspirant. He's joining us as well. And at some point of time, we are being hoped to be joined by Anjali Damania, who will be speaking on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Aam Aadmi Party, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, doesn't send a representative to Mirror now. सबसे पहले तो I think I'm going to come to Ankit Singh Chauhan, who's a UPSC aspirant himself, had filed enough and more complaints about how drainage was completely missing in the old Rajinder area, and he had essentially warned the entire system about the tragedy much before it came. Ankit Singh Chauhan, today the probe has been given to the CBI. I want to ask you what you make of what the court has told the Delhi police and the MCD today. दिल को थोड़ी तसल्ली मिली कि जो इस देश के सिटीजन्स बोल रहे हैं, वो आज दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट ने भी बोल दिया है। अंकित, ये सवाल आपके लिए था।
हाँ हाँ, सॉरी मैम। गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल द मेंबर्स हु आर प्रेजेंट इन द पैनल। मैम, अगर पानी एक लिविंग एंटिटी होती तो आज जेल में होते, और भगवान अगर इंद्र नीचे होते तो वो भी आज जेल में होते, और अगर क्लाउड्स को भी अगर अरेस्ट किया जा सकता तो वो भी जेल में होते। जिनको अरेस्ट करना चाहिए था उन्हें तो अरेस्ट किया नहीं गया। आपने एक बीच में एक मूवी आई थी जय भीम, उसमें एक चोरी का इंजाम एक नौकर पे लगता है, जबकि वो चोर नहीं होता है, पर ऊपर से इतना प्रेशर होता है कि किसी को अरेस्ट करना है। किसी को अरेस्ट करना था तो ड्राइवर को, उन्होंने जो एसयूवी अपना चला के जा रहे थे, मैम एक एसयूवी ड्राइवर रोड पे गाड़ी नहीं चलाएगा तो कहाँ चलाएगा? उन्होंने रोड टैक्स पे किया है, उनको थोड़ी पता है कि इलीगली तरीके से बेसमेंट में कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं। और उतने भरे पानी में अगर गाड़ी की स्पीड नहीं होगी तो गाड़ी वहां बंद हो सकती है। ये बहुत बेसिक कॉमन सेंस है, साइंस, इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस वाली चीज ही नहीं है। कुछ फैक्ट्स मैं आपके सामने बताने जा रहा हूँ, जो मैंने अभी मतलब मैं खुद रिसर्च किया है कि दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने 2018 में एक रिपोर्ट आईआईटी दिल्ली से ली थी। उस रिपोर्ट का नाम था ड्रेनेज मास्टर प्लान फॉर एनसीटी दिल्ली, और वो दी गई थी रिपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इरिगेशन एंड फ्लड कंट्रोल। उन्होंने 2 रिकमेंडेशन सबसे पहले दी थी, जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सबसे पहले पेज पे दिया हुआ है, कि जो ड्रेनेज है, स्ट्रॉन्ग वाटर ड्रेनेज, या तो पार्शियली और फुली इंक्रोच हो चुके हैं, इससे डिसल्टेशन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आएगी, तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले इनको एक एंटी इंक्रोचमेंट ड्राइव चलानी चाहिए। दूसरा, कि जो शेड्यूल है डिसल्टेशन का वो पब्लिक होना चाहिए कि कहाँ कब होगा। और एक मैम, मैं कल प्रोटेस्ट साइट पे था, मैं उनका ऑफिसर्स का नाम नहीं लूंगा, पर ये उन्होंने खुद बोला कि यहाँ का राजेंद्र नगर का स्ट्रॉम वाटर जो ड्रेनेज है, ये टोटली नॉन फंक्शनल था। ये एमसीडीज के ऑफिशियल्स को पता था, जो यहाँ के जूनियर इंजीनियर और जो असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर थे उनको पता था, उन्होंने इसको कमिश्नर तक लेके ही नहीं गए इस बात को। तो मैम अगर आप इसे देखेंगी तो, और
ठीक है,
ये आप ये ऐसा यूजुअल इवेंट नहीं, अनयूजुअल इवेंट है कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव किलिंग करके आप कह रहे हैं कि ये एक पानी का इंसिडेंस था, ये से हम नहीं रोक पाए।
So you're calling this administrative killing. That is very clear, and now the CBI has to investigate who were the administrators,
Yes.
who were the government
Yes.
officials who are to blame for this administrative killing, because the Delhi police so only has blamed the SUV driver who was passing by for these killings. Otherwise, as far as the Delhi Jal Board is concerned, as far as Delhi's flood control department is concerned, as far as the MCD is concerned, the Delhi police, as the High Court today said, there is brotherly love between all these agencies, which is why they are not being questioned. Abhishek Tandon, you are the spokesperson of the Delhi BJP. The Delhi police reports to the Home Ministry in this country. आज तो बड़ी जिल्लत हो रही होगी दिल्ली पुलिस को, and by virtue of Delhi Police Home Ministry ko bhi, that the Delhi High Court has said, bhaiya Delhi Police, you simply don't seem to be competent enough to do this probe, therefore let's hand it over to the CBI, because there is certainly corruption involved, and we cannot trust you to expose this corruption.
See, Preeti, I think High Court has denounced the civic agencies, the government of Delhi, and in its order, it has clearly stated that people right at the ground level are not working. Whether it is the brotherly love that you mentioned between the police officials on the ground and various stakeholders, Delhi government, authorities of the PWD, and also the MCD. Now, the question here is that the court had to intervene, which is very sad. This is the job of the government which is elected in Delhi by the people of Delhi. Why the court had to intervene? Why did not the Honorable Minister of Delhi government intervene and ask for such kind of inquiry? Why did not the Honorable Member of the Legislative Assembly, to whom we were flagging this issue 15 days prior to the incident, did not act? Why did not the local MCD councillor act? She is not even in India. And as I am informed, she left India the night this incident happened. So this is a complete failure of the Delhi government and it's a complete policy paralysis. I would also like to put on record here
Acha.
that the fire clearance was given just a month before to the building where which this incident happened. So, I mean, it's completely sad, and the court is absolutely right in blaming these agencies. And I am really, really sad to, say that
Okay. So,
this is
Abhishek
the
Tandon,
job of
I asked you a
elected
question about the
representatives.
Delhi police and the danda that the High Court has given the Delhi police. And the Delhi police directly reports to the Home Ministry in this country and to some
I
extent
am
to the
not, I am
LG
not,
of the
I
national
am not,
capital. Also,
I
all
am not.
Babus in this country, in this city report to the LG. So, the Babus were not doing their job either. The
This
MCD
is,
commissioner has also got a tongue
you know
lashing
what,
from the Delhi High Court. And he had
you know
no
what,
option but to admit that there is no drainage system in India's national capital. 3 days ago, the MCD had given itself a clean chit saying drainage though is working very well. Let me just get in Yashovardhan Azad as well.
so just
Mr. Yashovardhan
let
Azad,
me just,
you've been a former
Preeti,
police
just
officer,
let me
but
put one
एक
point.
मिनट रुक जाइए.
Just 1 minute,
सर,
just
एक तो
1
मेरा
minute.
नाम श्रेया है, प्रीति नहीं है.
Sorry.
अभिषेक जी मेरा नाम श्रेया है, प्रीति नहीं है.
श्रेया जी,
प्रीति चौधरी इंडिया टुडे में काम करती हैं. आप मेरा नाम में अभी हैं इस समय. That's perfectly fine. No offense taken. But for the moment, Yashovardhan Azad is laughing. Yashovardhan Azad ji, matlab, I to first laughed at what the High Court had said today. But as a citizen of India's national capital, I would say I don't even know whether to laugh or cry. I honestly don't even know whether to laugh or cry. The Delhi High Court is telling the Delhi police to its face, thank God you didn't fine and challan the flood waters that drowned the 3 UPSC aspirants. They are telling them to their face, what is this brotherly love between you and the other government agencies? They are telling them to their face there is corruption involved. And yet, what is the Delhi police's response? Sorry, we arrested the SUV driver, but we were under too much pressure because the media, was putting pressure on us and we got very stressed because the media was saying that the real culprits are not being arrested. Arey bhai, the real culprits you have still not arrested.
Yeah. Now, let me start with the first one. Definitely, Shreya, the institutions of governance anywhere should work irrespective of the party in power, whether it's BJP, Congress, AAP, they have to work. Now, who are the guys who really have to work? The police commissioner, the MCD commissioner, the chief secretary, and the Jal Board executive officer. These three are IS officers, one is an IPS officer. Delhi police certainly trivialized the incident by arresting the driver. There is no doubt about it. The second, when it was trying to invest in the case and trying to do investigation, normally, if this investigation was against a private company, if municipal commission, MCD was a private entity, then the first person who would have been called was the commissioner. Right? But commissioner is a very senior IS officer, so therefore, and he works under the LG and the Home Ministry, therefore the Delhi police will go and try to find out who are the people actually responsible. Shreya, now let's focus on the case. Who is the biggest culprit in this? The biggest culprit who should be barred throughout life should be the Rao Study Circle owner who's running an illegal basement, knowing fully well, bribing the MCD authorities, bribing the Jal Board for blocking the storm drains. That's number one. Number two, who's the second crook? The second crook is MCD. But the problem, Shreya, is that the entire Delhi is blocked by drains. It's blocked all over. So one expected that a senior IS officer and MCD commissioner should lay down a white paper or tell his political bosses that, listen, this cannot be done unless you allow me, because half of Delhi will have to be broken. Even in Saket, where I used to live, I was told that the stormwater drain is blocked. If you don't block yours, then you'll get a spill back in your own basement. Now, that's another issue. Third is the Jal Board executive, the chief. None of them make statement. None of them come to the public. So in this particular case, one is the basement owner. Second is the person, the junior engineer, zonal fellow who's in charge of that place, who did not seal the basement. and third will be the complementary people here and there. What else can you do? But the problem will never be solved.
And you know, the fact is, Yashowardhan Azad, if you go on social media, you have the owner of Drishti IAS telling ANI that go and look at every coaching center in Delhi and you
Yes.
will find that
Yes.
there are violations. I mean, his
Absolutely.
has been sealed because of violations, and he's saying go to every coaching center, and
Correct.
and there are violations simply because there is corruption.
Correct. So, Shreya,
And
can I make one
that is
point?
the point, Ankit Singh. You know, Ankit Singh,
Can I
yeah,
make
go
one
ahead.
more point, Shreya? So that's why what I'm saying is, it is not a job which can be done by a junior engineer. It is not a job which can be done by. So who are the guys who should take? The guy should be the chief secretary. The guy should be the municipal commissioner. The guy should be jail board executive. Or quit. You're not there to do routine file pushing. Leave that I cannot do it. But tell the public that this is what is wrong.
Ankit Chauhan, you know, the Porsche case in Pune, you remember the case. That case had shown all of India that the entire system is on sale. कि पूरा सिस्टम जो है बिकाऊ है, आप सबको खरीद सकते हैं, आप गवर्नमेंट के डॉक्टर को खरीद सकते हैं, जो ऑटोप्सी कर रहा है उसको खरीद सकते हैं, आपके पास पैसा है तो आप यू कैन गेट अवे विद मर्डर. Is this what the old Rajendra Nagar tragedy is showing us as well? कि जो हुआ इसलिए हुआ because the entire system is corrupt and the entire system is बिकाऊ. अगर पूरा सिस्टम बिकाऊ नहीं होता तो इस लेवल के इलीगैलिटीज नहीं हो रहे होते कोचिंग सेंटर्स में, इस तरह के बेसमेंट्स में लाइब्रेरीज नहीं बन रही होती. ठीक है, किसी को नहीं पता था कि इस तरह की आपदा आ जाएगी, बट ये बेसिक कॉमन सेंस है दैट देयर वर वायलेशंस, एंड वो वायलेशंस दिल्ली पुलिस की आंख के सामने थे, एमसीडी के सामने थे, दिल्ली जेल बोर्ड के सामने थे, बट एवरीवन लाइक धृतराष्ट्र क्लोज देयर आइज टू इट बिकॉज देयर palms were being greased.
मैम ऐसा है कि बिल्कुल है, नेक्सस तो पूरा है, क्योंकि जब कोई बेसमेंट बनता है तो उसका एक दिल्ली फायर सेफ्टी डिपार्टमेंट आती है उसको चेक करने के लिए कि फायर सेफ्टी के नॉर्म्स पूरे हैं कि नहीं. जब वो आते हैं तो उन्होंने नहीं देखा होगा कि बेसमेंट किस लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है, कि कौन सी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए यूज़ किया जाएगा. जबकि हाई कोर्ट की सीधी जो एकदम डायरेक्ट गाइडलाइंस में था कि कोई भी कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी एक्सेप्ट स्टोरेज एंड पार्किंग आप अलाउ नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये हुआ ही मैम इसीलिए कि सबने अपनी अपनी ड्यूटीज नहीं की. जो एमसीडी का काम था ड्रेनेज को क्लीन करना उन्होंने नहीं किया. 40% ड्रेनेज क्लीन हुआ. आपके मानसून पीरियड से अगले मानसून पीरियड में यू हैव 8 to 10 months, आप उसमें पूरा दिल्ली क्लीन कर सकते हैं. एक ड्रेन की तो बात ही अलग छोड़ दीजिए कि आप दिल्ली क्लीन नहीं कर सकते हैं. और मैम एक थोड़ा सा मैं पॉलिटिकल जाना चाहूंगा, ऑल्दो आई एम ए स्टूडेंट बट आई शुड नॉट गो, बट आई वांट टू से दिस. आपको मैम हम लोग सोचते थे ना कि अब थक गए हैं पढ़ते हुए या आप काम करते थक गए तो आपको हिल स्टेशन जाना है. आपको जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपके पास माउंट गाजीपुर है, एक माउंट ओखला है, और आपको अगर राफ्टिंग करनी है तो आप ओआरएन आ जाइए. उस इंसिडेंस के बाद 2 दिन कल रात जो बारिश हुई है, परसों रात में जो बारिश हुई है, अगर आप देखती थी बच्चे पानी में भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, जबकि उनको ही पता है कि यहाँ खतरा बहुत ज्यादा है. पर ये जानते हैं कि सिस्टम इतना ज्यादा हो चुका है कि इतना बड़ा काम होने के बाद भी, इतना बड़ा इंसिडेंस होने के बाद भी सिस्टम अभी तक बदला नहीं है. वो वैसा का वैसा ही है और वो वैसा ही रहेगा. और मैम हम लोग बहुत खुश थे कि जब हाई कोर्ट ने सीबीआई को दे दिया, क्योंकि पुलिस का तो हम लोग ने रवैया देख लिया था कि अगर पुलिस सही में इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही होती तो ड्राइवर को अरेस्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. मैम सबसे पहले जो कोई अरेस्ट होना चाहिए था वो होना चाहिए जिसकी ड्यूटी थी कि डिसल्टेशन होगा और वो कब होगा और क्यों नहीं हुआ. वो उसका जवाब कोई देने को तैयार ही नहीं है. एमसीडी के ऑफिशियल जो उन्होंने आए और फिर कल राव आईएएस की तरफ से आए, उन्होंने एक कंपनसेशन अनाउंस कर दिया. ऐसे लगा कि कंपनसेशन अनाउंस करने के बाद जो हमारे जो साथी हमने खोए हैं वो वापस आ जाएंगे. आज उन्होंने 50 लाख दिए और कल सुबह तक हमारे साथी हमारे साथ वापस आ जाएंगे. तो हमें सिस्टम तो बिका हुआ है और ये सबको पता है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि ये लोग आते नहीं है चेक करने के लिए, हर बार होता है. मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोल रहा हूँ ये चीज, हो सकता है इस बार कुछ लीगल चैलेंजेस हो. Every library pay 2,000 rupees to police as a bribe per month. Every PG pay 10,000. ये मुझे खुद पीजी वालों ने, जब मैं जिस पीजी में रहता था उस पीजी ने बताया था. मैं आपको वो सिंपल चीज बता रहा हूँ. और हर लाइब्रेरी 2 से 2,500 रुपए जो उनके बीट ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनको देती है. और जहां ये इंसिडेंस हुआ, मैं उसके जस्ट बाहर पिंक बूथ है. क्या पुलिस को नहीं दिख रहा था कि यहाँ इलीगल एक्टिविटीज हो रही है?
आप इसी सिस्टम का हिस्सा बनने की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं लेकिन अंकित,
मैम मैं उस दिन भी आपसे जब लास्ट शो में मैं आपके आया था, मैंने कहा था कि मैं और मेरे साथी जितने भी लोग हैं, मेरी सब बात से कोई डिसएग्री नहीं करेगा कि हम जॉब ढूंढने नहीं आए थे, हम एक सिस्टम का पार्ट बनने आए थे, क्योंकि ये वो सिस्टम है जिससे आप बहुत हजार लोगों की जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं अपने पूरे लाइफ टाइम के पीरियड में। अगर मैम ऐसा होगा कि सिस्टम में जाके मैं वैसा ही बनना चाहूंगा, तो मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड कह रहा हूँ कि मैं इस जॉब को फिर अपनी प्रायोरिटी में नहीं रखूंगा, मैं कहीं और से भी सिस्टम के लिए काम कर सकता हूँ एफिशिएंट बनाने के लिए। यहाँ मैम जॉब ढूंढने कोई नहीं आया मैम, जितने लोग आए हैं वो सिस्टम में बनने के लिए आए हैं।
Yashovardhan Azad, my last word, the
मैम
last word is
मैं
to you.
एक
Take 20 seconds and tell me. हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए अंकित।
मैम हम तो मैम उस जगह में रहते हैं। इंडिया इज द लैंड ऑफ मैनी फिलोसफीज, जैनिज्म, बुद्धिज्म। मैम हम तो वहाँ जानवरों के भी एक बार बलि देने में 20 बार सोचते हैं। यहाँ तो सिस्टम ने 3 लोगों की जान ले ली है, 3 लोगों की बलि ले ली है। अगर इसके बाद भी अगर वो सिस्टम नहीं जागता है तो फिर पता नहीं उसको कितनी बलि चाहिए जागने के लिए। और अपने अंदर के जो उसका एक होता है कि अब दिल बहल जा। यहाँ पे जो मैम बच्चे हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मेंटल हेल्थ इतनी खराब हो चुकी है कुछ बच्चों की, जो मेंस लिख रहे थे, दे आर टेकिंग प्रोफेशनल हेल्प फ्रॉम मेंटल कोचेस, कि उनको पता है कि आज कल वहाँ कोई और था, कल हम भी हो सकते हैं, जो बेसमेंट्स के हाल हैं या जो कोचिंग्स हैं। और मैम इसी कोचिंग में सबसे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट होता है एथिक्स। सब लोग एथिक्स पढ़ाते हैं इसी कोचिंग में, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट पढ़ाया जाता है। अब ये मौकरी है सबसे बड़ी मैम, ये है कि उसी कोचिंग में बैठा के आप एथिक्स और डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट पढ़ा रहे हैं, जहाँ सबसे ज्यादा जान को खतरा है।
I have 40 seconds. I'm going to give 20 seconds to Abhishek Tandon. And last word as a citizen of this country to Yashovardhan Azad. First to you, Abhishek Tandon. Don't take more than 20 seconds. Essentially, just student, UPSC aspirant on our channel is saying कि सिस्टम ने 3 लोगों की बलि ली है लेकिन फिर भी नहीं जागा है। उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा आप भी हैं, उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा आम आदमी पार्टी भी है, और उस सिस्टम का हिस्सा दिल्ली पुलिस भी है। दिल्ली पुलिस
I completely
जो बीजेपी को रिपोर्ट करती है।
I completely empathize to what the student is saying, and just one thing I wanted to mention, that for the past 10 years, this politics of passing the buck, that officers are being appointed by the LG, police is under Delhi center government, this officer is under the center government, this officer is not appointed by us. There should be no such politics done in Delhi. We have faced this a lot, and I think as media person
what shouldn't be in
also,
Delhi?
right questions should be asked to the party who is in the power for the past 10 years, that every time anything happens, they immediately pass the buck and say, we cannot appoint the officers. I am telling you on record, when the minister visited the site, MCD officials were working on her behest, and they immediately
Mr. Tandon, I'll tell you what shouldn't happen in Delhi. Mr. Tandon, I'll tell you as a citizen what should not happen in India's capital. India's capital cannot have 2 power centers. The problem is that it has 2 power centers. You simply cannot run the city, India's capital, with 2 power centers which are opposed to each other, which are at war with each other. They are at war with each other, so the city is sinking and its citizens are drowning. Yashovardhan Azad, as a citizen of this city, last word to you. I mean, metamorphic, we've just simply, as citizens, all we can do is pay taxes and hit our heads against the wall every time something like this happens. Beyond that, we can't do anything. All of us know, सब चोरी करते हैं सिस्टम में, लेकिन आप कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हैं। रोज रोज वही कहानी, रोज रोज वही हेडलाइंस, रोज रोज वही डिस्कशंस, nothing changes.
Shreya, I can only say that I'm ashamed to be a part of that system, which sees clearly the path to improve things, but does not do it because, as you rightly described, of the policy paralysis in Delhi. It is shameful that the officers don't listen to the ministers, the LG is at war with the government, he's pushing files, is looking more into, academic stuff. The Supreme Court has to step in and the High Court has to step in. On larger issues, Delhi will be paralyzed and we are waiting for a disaster.
Disaster is already upon us. We leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us, Abhishek Tandon, Yashovardhan Azad, and Ankit Singh Chauhan. Thank you very much.